So what we got here it is. So I reached out to Jock, and they sent me the sway bar. I'm going to go ahead and try one-handed, because I don't really have anything to hold my phone, because like I said, this is my first unboxing. So you know what, I'm going to see if I can get some help. Okay, so I couldn't get any help. What we're going to do here is, I already opened the box, kind of. You know, like I said, I'm unboxing, but at least you'll see what came in this box, alright? Alright, here we go. Let's see what's in here. Alright, we got some nice padding in there, so that's not going to shake around. Got some, that's the frame mount portion. Got the bushings. So these are the new forged arms. Oh yeah, these things are beefy. They're heavy. All right, got the stickers. Everyone loves stickers. All right, we got some hardware here. Alright, and what do we got here? Some more hardware. Let's check this bar out. Alright, so this bar, I can tell right now, it's probably going to flex a whole lot better than the OEM one. I mean, this right here is a whole lot smaller. It's the, I believe it's the .770 bar, because I do have the gasoline engine. Oh, links. Alright, well, that's the unboxing video. Get rid of that. Alright. Found this little package right here, taped on the outside of the box right here, and I didn't even realize until I started to pick everything up. In that little package is stickers, lots and lots of stickers, and I mean, they did not skimp. So yeah. So besides the ones that come with it, this is what they hooked me up with. Almost can do a full wrap on that, but